If you want to protect yourself or your family, do this powerful protection jar. First, clean the jar with any kind of incense. Then start preparing your ingredients. Like always, you need a salt. Salt is crucial for protection. Basil is here for protection and attracting good luck. Rosemary for purification. Lavender for peace. And cloves are here for banishing negative energy. Additionally, you can add chamomile for calming effect, some cinnamon for money and good luck, in powder or in a stick, and additional black turmaline. First the basil for our purification, then the lavender. You need to know that you don't have to have every single ingredient, and you don't need to have fresh ingredients. All these ingredients can be from supermarket, or you can use it by your intuition, because this jar is just for you. You can also buy a rosemary. It doesn't have to be fresh. I have a fresh in my garden, so I put fresh inside. Now for the end, add some cloves, and after you've done that, add the salt. You can add a pinch of black tourmaline, but you don't have to add it. You can add your crystal, or you don't have to add crystal. It's everything up to you. Just when you're making a protection jar, just focus on your protection. Focus on good shielding and yourself and your family being protected. When you are done with your jar, just close it with a lid and seal the deal with the white candle. We are also always sealing our jars so that the good energy doesn't go out. You can hold your jar in your purse, or you can have it by your bed or somewhere that your family is. Sometimes it's very useful for every member of the family to have one jar. Good luck, my friends.